Listen, I hate the fact that I look like a hippie and I'm about to tell you about some really hippie stuff. Because I'm not that much of a hippie. I'm a little bit of a hippie, you know. I do appreciate some of the woo-woo stuff, and I think some of the woo-woo people are onto something, okay? So maybe you're going to think this is a bit cringe, or maybe you're going to love it. But I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you about these two things, and they work. It works. So here's what you should do that's a bit woo-woo if you want to make more friends and you want to feel more connected to people. You're going to start practicing loving kindness meditation. Now, what the hell is that, okay? It's basically, you sit down with your thoughts and you just wish happiness, for other people and for yourself and for everyone on earth and even people you don't like and even all living beings. Traditionally, that's how it works. You can look it up on YouTube or somewhere else. You'll find some guided meditations. If you're interested, maybe I could do one at some point, like a guided meditation. I actually, to be fair, I haven't done this in a while. Just as a reminder to myself to get back to loving kindness meditation. And man, it really works. Like, you do it for a while, and then you just walk around, you look at people. I'm like, man, I wish a lot of happiness for that guy, that random guy that I've never met, And it just makes you feel more connected to people. It might even make you feel less jealous, for example. I think it's was it the book Lost Connections? I should have looked this up. But there was a story about a woman who started, she was very jealous of other people, and then she started doing loving kindness meditation regularly, and she got rid of her jealousy, really, because she started just being happy for other people. The second thing that you should do is practice gratitude. Actively. You should be actively practicing gratitude, okay? I was talking about this in another video. I realized that just feeling grateful makes people drawn to you. Like, people will come to you because they will feel your vibe, and you'll just be happier, man. And if you're happier, it's just easier to make friends. So don't just think about gratitude. Write it down, man, like every day or 2-3 times a week. Arguably, it might be better to not do it exactly every day, but we can get into that some other time. Just write down what you're grateful for and why. Like, I'm grateful for this because, be specific. Do that regularly and see if it works. Like, hey, maybe it's not going to work for you and you can tell me I'm an idiot, okay? You can let me know. If you have tried it, let me know in the comments. I want to know. I want to hear your thoughts. Maybe you have some other woo-woo stuff you want to share. I would love to hear your thoughts. But do those two things: loving kindness meditation and gratitude. And of course, in terms of gratitude, you should also express your gratitude to people, to their face, to your friends, to strangers, and even better if you do so publicly in the presence of other people, because they're gonna look at you being grateful and they'll be like, oh, right, this guy. So those are the two woo-woo things. It's not that woo-woo, like, I'm not getting into like weird spiritual alien stuff. It's just a little bit, just try it out. Try it out.